Explain how to draw the sectional front view of a pyramid when its section plane is parallel to VP. To draw the sectional front view of a pyramid, we have to follow the following steps. Let's discuss each of these steps. In the first step, we identify the position of the given pyramid and section it by a plane ABCD, parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. Consider a rectangular pyramid of height h mm. Let its apex be at x1 distance from VP and the rectangular face at y1 distance from HP. Now let us section this rectangular pyramid by plane ABCD, such that the plane lies parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. In the second step, we draw the projection of the section pyramid on VP when viewed from the front. So let us view the section rectangular pyramid from the front. We get its projection on the VP as 1', 2', 3'. In the third step, we draw the projection of the section pyramid on HP when viewed from the top. So let us view the section rectangular pyramid from the top. We get its projection on the HP as 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the last step, we rotate the horizontal plane by 90 degrees above the reference line. So let us rotate the horizontal plane by 90 degrees in the clockwise direction above the reference line XY. Thus we get the projection of the sectioned rectangular pyramid as. Here the front view projection is 1', 2', 3', and the top view projection is 1, 2, 3, 4.